time it is.
Chriss.pops on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up, y'all? This is Chriss.pops and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm telling you guys all about It's a Wig Valencia. This is Big Diva hair, and I love Big Diva hair. Super quick install, very quick, very beginner friendly. But I must warn you, if you don't like a lot of big hair, not for you. But if you do, you're gonna love Valencia. Okay, I want to start by showing you the inside of Valencia. You have your one comb in the back and two combs in the front that I don't use. For the parting, I just did my method that I will link in the description bar. I did not have to pluck at all. The parting was great. It is ombre with dark roots. The dark roots are not throughout the whole wig though, only the top. Get into this color. It is a 99J type of color, but it's also a little bit brighter, but the dark roots kind of offset it. I really like this color. So I'm just taking my Got2B freeze spray and spraying only in the parting area. I'm gonna wait till it's tacky enough for me to attach my unit. This is good for about 1 to 2 days of wear. And as you can see, it was super easy and it laid really well. My blow dryer is on cool. If you don't use your blow dryer on cool, you'll have a hot, sticky mess. Okay, y'all know how I feel about baby hair. So I am gonna do just a few to soften the hairline. There is not a specific method for cutting baby hair, but from my experience, I've learned that less is best. Try not to brush down a lot of hair, just like the least possible, but still enough so that you make an effect. You cut at an angle, you add your whatever edge control you want to use. I use the Got2B Spiking Glue, and I just comb it or brush it in the direction that I want it to go. There isn't lace across the entire hairline, only the parting, but just for a softening effect, I did cut some hair on the side, even though this isn't really going to be showing with the style that I'm wearing. Now I'm just going to use my curling wand to flatten my part. This is super helpful if your hair is kind of bulky near the parting area. That's why I like to do this. Okay, I'm misting my hair with just water, and I'm adding an alcohol-free mousse to make those waves pop a little bit. And this was so easy, you guys. So easy. It's all about the tease for me. So I'm teasing, just add some volume in the front area of the hair. This is optional as well. You really don't have to do this. Okay, and I'm all done.